Magandang hapon po ng February 13, 2024 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games, the 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 13, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 13, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 13, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 122 million pesos, and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 58.5 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 7.5 million pesos for Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 13, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.